Hey, sixth graders, good morning. Hope you had a great Memorial weekend. This week, we've got three things that we're going to be accomplishing this week. The first, item that you're going to do is watch this video called Power to the Planet. This video is about 15 minutes long. While you're doing that, you're going to complete part one of the note sheet. So when you click on this note sheet here and you open that up, you are going to see, some benefits and some limitations that you're going to complete. Now, the benefits are the things that are really good, the good things. It might be availability. It might be the how easy they are to obtain. It might be the costs. Limitations would be the bad things. Maybe they're have a negative impact on the environment. Maybe they're really high cost, or maybe they're really difficult to obtain. So those would be some examples of things you might want to write down in your notes here. So while you're watching the video, you might want to open up another tab and be able to jot those things down, or you can just write them down on a sheet of paper and then complete this later. Okay, so going back to our item for the week then. The second part of this down below is you've got a Power to the Planet poster that you're going to be creating. So within that same note sheet on Power to the Planet, you've got what's called part two of this. So down below, you're going to see part two. So you're going to choose one type of energy, and you're going to create a poster that explains the benefits and limitations of that type of energy, and include where it's used today and a picture or diagram of that. So you can use your textbook for that. You could use the internet. And then with that poster, there's really two options that you have to complete that. One would be to use a piece of paper and just use colored pencils, crayons, whatever, take a picture, upload it as a JPEG, which I'll show you here momentarily how to do that. The second way is to use Google Draw link. So if you click on this Google Draw link here, you're going to make a copy of that. Everything there would be digital. So you would simply insert a picture from the internet, and then you would just write down your limitations, environmental impacts, where it's used today, include that picture. Obviously it'll already be colored there, and list the benefits of the energy source. So you have a couple of options, either do it kind of by hand as a poster project or using that Google Draw link. Now, going back to our instructions here, what I've got down below is I do have a link right here on directions on how to upload everything. So you'll be able to see that and go through that little video if you need directions or instructions on how to upload everything. When you do upload, you're going to see everything go to this Schoology Media Center album. So if I click on that and I open this up, what that will take you to then is a area where you can submit your photos, and then you're going to be able to comment. And my dog Annie was my guinea pig here, so she got to make the course here. So you're going to see all of everyone's work posted here, and you'll be able to make two comments on everyone's poster. So you'll be able to go in and do that and make a comment on two other people's posters. So your assignment for this week really is three things. One, watch the video, which is about 15 minutes. Two, take your notes, complete those. And then the second part of that note sheet is the poster. So those are what you're going to be doing this week. Hope you have a great week. Please email me if you have any questions. You can click on that link for the video for the directions. Thank you. Have a great day.